Hey everyone, it's Everything Abe here, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to unlock the secret snake game in Discord. So Discord, if you don't know, has a secret game they called the snake game. Basically what this secret game does is it lets you play Discord's rendition of Snake. So you know the classical Snake. If you Google it, then you can just play this version here that Google's made of the popular Snake game. Snake game came out for the Nokia phones, and you know it works here, right? And you know it's really nice. It's just like you know a really nice version of the Snake game. But there is a better. Boom! I got crashed. But there is one. Sorry, not better. There's a version made by Discord, and if you go to, so what you have to do is you have to go to discord.com/ and then type anything. So go like, I love everything Eve's content, please subscribe to him. Then you know it says page not found, so it says 404, and then you have to click this button on their website, like over here, snack, I think. Sorry, I'm trying to find it. Oh, you're supposed to click that button over there. So let me go back to the, let me reload the website. I'm having trouble reloading it because I'm a dummy. Um, but let's reload the website, and then over here there's this little button here, and it says snack, and you click on that, and then you get snack, and then you get this version of snack, as they call it. And you know it's a pretty cool concept, to be honest. It's really nice to play. It's actually oddly satisfying. I don't know why I talk about it. That makes it so satisfying. Oh, and I died. I suck at snack. But yeah, this is a cool